Welcome. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create class groups and add students to the class on the Viva website. After login, click Class Groups, located on the side panel. Now, click Add New Class Group. The page will prompt you to add the required information. Enter class description. This can be treated as a summary of the class group, where you can mention the class, section, and subject for easy reference. Select class, subject, and section from the drop-down. Subject drop-down will be populated if the school has an active subscription. Please contact Volt Customer Care if you do not see your subject in the subject drop-down. Assign the teacher to the class group by selecting from the drop-down. If you do not see the desired teacher in the list, please add a new teacher from Teacher under Users. Select the axis you would like to assign to a particular teacher for that class group and click Submit. Your class group is created, and now you can add students to the class group. Click View and click Add Student to Class. The page will show available students in a particular class and section. Select checkboxes of individual students or select all in one go by clicking the checkbox in the header. Click Add Student to the class. Your defined class group now has a teacher and students. Thank you for watching.